Welcome back, friends. This is Wendy with Cannin Plannin. We are day number 6 of our craft with me, and today we're going to be using the Gnome Mini Deco Kit. Let's take a look. All right, you guys, my mini deco kit is dwindling. I have like one piece of paper and then some scraps and a die cut and some stickers. That's all I have left. So we have been using this to its utmost abilities with getting all the things done. All right, so some of the things I'm going to share with you guys today, you can get at craft store, you can get them at a hardware store. So let's walk through some of the supplies you're going to need. So I'm going to start with some rounds. I got these rounds down at the dollar store. They come in a pack of like 10 or 15 or something like that. And I already painted it brown. I'm also using some Mod Podge. Some people call it decoupage, whatever. You can get this at any craft store. You can get it at the dollar store, actually in a smaller bottle. You can get it at Walmart, all those kinds of things. I've been using this one for a very long time. You're going to need some ribbon. Any ribbon will do. And of course, we're going to be using our kit. Now, I went ahead and cut these in, for sake of time, cut these in circles already. And then we're going to use this cute little die cut. The other thing that you want to do is have some kind of hole punch. Because this is very, very thin wood, you can actually utilize a hole punch on here, or you can use a drill if you are using power tools. The other thing I grabbed is a heat tool. You can use a hair dryer for this as well, but the whole point of it is to help the decoupage get warm and re-stick to the paper. Because what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and grab our paintbrush, and we're going to put this on here, just cover the whole area first. And again, my my decoupage is, or my Mod Podge is running low. I've been using this same container for a long time and I love it. So what you want to do to get the best results with your Mod Podge is to let it dry a little bit beforehand. Which is why I brought my little heat tool. I'm going to dry it a little bit. This is an embossing heat tool, so if you do stamping, you probably recognize the use of this, right? Okay, so what we're going to do first, now that this is a little bit dry and tacky, we're going to add some of this onto the back of our paper. We don't need a lot. We just need something for it to adhere to. We're just going to stick it down on here, and that little glue dollop is perfectly okay. And then we're going to heat it up again so that they will stick to each other. And here's where you're going to like, as it gets warm, it's going to be tacky. So you're going to want to get all those air bubbles out. If you have a tool like this, you can utilize that to help you get any air bubbles out. This is actually the sticker remover for our wall boards. So lots of uses for that too. If you have a wall board, just use that to, get some of those bubbles out and to help you smooth that out. Okay. The next thing that we're going to do is grab some glue and put it on the opposite piece of our paper. We're going to see where this kind of lands and then do some more glue or Mod Podge on this section here. And then we're going to add it on the back of our paper. As best we can. Do a little heat. See, I'm getting a little bubble there because it's wet. We're going to smooth that out here in just a second. Take our little watering can, get it stuck on there, heat it up a little bit. And then we're going to smooth out those bubbles. Again, just pushing them off to the side. Now, something that I did not tell you that you needed, but you need, is a sanding block. So you can either use a sanding block, you can actually use a fingernail file if you are one of those people that loves to do your nails or you have fingernail files hanging around. This is actually left over from a home improvement project. And then what we're going to do is we're going to file that extra paper off. You'll notice that I cut the paper wider around the outside, and it's so that I could do this. It gives it a little bit of a rustic feel to it, and it just finishes off those corners really nicely. You can go back later and repaint it if you want to so that it looks nicer. Or if you like the scratched off look, you can go with that as well. Just getting all this extra stuff off of here. All right, so we kind of have it down to not much else left. Whew. I'm all dusty now. Let's just clean up our little area here really quickly. Have to go back and do some extended cleanup today from today's project. Good thing I have some. All right, now what you're gonna do is, I have some glue dots. I just wanna make sure that my little die cut guy gets stuck down here really well. So I'm just gonna use those. You could use any kind of adhesive you choose to. I just wanna make sure he stays there. I'm gonna put him a little bit off to the side so you can kind of see the watering can a little bit. And then I'm gonna use my crocodile. Again, something that you can get from the craft store. You can use a little drill if you want to. I'm going to poke a hole in that. Grab some of my ribbon. Put that through there. And ta-da! We have our little, you can hang this from the rear view mirror of your car. You can just hang it around your desk. You can hang it on a doorknob, all kinds of fun things that you can do with it. But this is craft project number 6 using our mini deco kit. Just a fun way for you to utilize this kit and some other fun things that you might have laying around the house. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this craft with me session. If you have found this information helpful, please feel free to share it out. Otherwise, I'll see you right back here next time. Bye, friends.